Hello and welcome back to Maths Plus Much More. I am Mohid, your presenter and teacher, live on JTV channel 827. Remember, this is the show where you learn maths at home and improve your results in school. Just before the break, we were having a game of Catchphrase, boys versus girls, and you guys at home had to phone in with the answers to the maths questions. So let's see if you get any callers. Do you have any callers on the line? Yes, we do. Hello, what's your name? Where are you calling from?
My name is Simon. I'm calling from Oldham.
Sorry, your name is Simon. You're calling from?
Oldham.
Oldham. Hi, Simon. Are you? Would you like to answer a question first? Which question would you like to answer?
No.
No, you don't like to answer a question. What would you like to do? Would you like to speak to somebody on the show? Hello. Hello, Simon.
Oh, I would like to speak to.
Okay, come on, quickly speak to Sarah. Got loads of callers today. Off you go, Sarah.
Hello.
Can you see her?
Simon.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm alright. Are you okay?
Very geeky side.
Hmm?
She's watching you.
Okay, bye.
Okay, thank you very much, Sarah, for calling. Is that your sister? Sorry. Cousin. Oh, that's nice. How old is she?
Like 9.
Oh, that's really good. Before you should have answered some questions, Sarah. It would have been cool. Do you have any more callers before we go back to our game? Let's take another call. What? Hello? Hello, what's your name? Oh, you've been disconnected. Sorry about that. Just call back, please. Right, just so what we're doing? Yeah, catchphrase. So let's go back to the PowerPoint. Let's have a look. Whose turn is it, boys?
Boys.
Is it boys?
Yeah.
Right, okay, let's go back to the PowerPoint.
What is it?
Oh no, it's not working for some reason. Can we fix the PowerPoint, please? It's not working. Alright, okay. Whilst they fix that PowerPoint again, we'll go back to what we're talking. Should we answer one question ourselves, and that will encourage the viewers to have a go. So, this one, I'm going to change this question to 4 actually, because I think this one, this will give us negative numbers. So now, let's have a go at this one. Who's feeling confident now? Who's sussed this topic out?
Yeah,
Who knows?
I have.
Have you go on this here? How would I do this? Get my blue pen. We'll Bluetooth it. Right, okay.
You have to go to 8.
Draw my Bluetooth. Off you go.
Then you follow the line, start at the 4.
Start at the 4.
You go to the 8, so you time
4 times 8 is?
32.
32. And then?
And then you follow the line from 8 to 5.
8 to 5, follow the line.
Equals 40.
40.
And then you go from 5 to 5.
5 to 5, which is?
25.
25, so you multiply it. 25.
And you went to a minus sign, so you minus it.
I went through a minus sign, so I pop a minus sign in front. So now what's 32 take away 25?
7.
Is it right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Good. 7. You're good at mental maths, aren't you? I'm really bad at it. I don't know if, I used to be really bad when I was in school. About mental maths. I can do everything else. Over 40. 7 over 40 is the final answer. Okay. I've just been told that the PowerPoint is not going to be coming on, so unfortunately, guys, you won't be able to have a go at the catchphrase. We'll do other things though, don't worry. Right, we've got another caller, so let's take this caller. Hello? What's your name? Where are you calling from?
I'm Maya again.
Hello, Maya. How are you today? Again? You okay?
Fine.
What would you like to do right now? Would you like to answer another question?
Yeah. I think I've got the answers for B, C, and D.
B, C, and?
No, B, C, and D.
B, C, and D. Okay, let's have a go. Should we start with? Do you want to start with B first?
Yeah.
What answer did you get? I'll just check it.
1 over 20.
Of this one?
Yeah.
Oh, we've done that one. Sorry about that. Somebody Seidel rang in before, and he had a go at this one. He got 8 over 15. Do you want to have a go at a different one? Because we've got the answer to that one.
Number C
Number
is 16.
C.
Is
This one. C is.
C
Yeah.
is 16 over 54.
16 over 54. 16 over 54. You said.
64.
Over
Yeah.
64. There we go. Now, okay. So, do you think that's right, guys, or does he need to simplify it? Do you think? Would you say
Simplify it,
yeah. So let's simplify it for Umar. So, what number goes into both of these?
4.
4.
8. 4.
4 over
8.
8. However, let's quickly, should we check if his answer is...
I
think it's wrong.
It's another C.
Yeah, sorry?
Oh, it's the bottom one.
Is the bottom C? Ah, that's why you were getting them wrong. Okay, I was wondering then. So, what bottom C, what's the answer?
It's 16 over 64.
16 over 64? And
Yeah.
let's simplify that. How can you... So, what number goes into top and bottom? 4?
Yeah.
How many 4s in 16?
4.
How many 4s in 64?
How much is it? Wait. 10, 16.
16?
Yeah.
Okay, we can simplify this again. What number goes into 4 and 16, Umair? That's your turn now. What number goes into 4 and 16?
I think 15.
Okay, so 4 goes into 4 once, and 4 goes into 16 4 times. So Umair, your answer is actually right. This is correct. So you'd get 1 mark for that, and if you simplified it, you'd get another mark. So in fact, your answer is correct, but it wasn't simplified. So not to worry. You just need to practice your simplification of fractions, and you'll be fine with that, right?
And the bottom D.
D.
Yeah, is 2 over 50.
2 over 50. Have a look at that one again. Have a look at that one
I
again.
got 2 over 10, sorry.
2 over 10 or 3 over 10?
Huh?
Is it 2 over 10 or 3 over 10? So 4 times 2 is 8. Let's do it there. 8. And then 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 1 is 5. Take away. What's 5 take away? 8 take away 5?
And 2.
It's
3.
3. So the answer is, you're so close, it's 3 over 10, okay? So this is the answer. I've got no space, so 3 over 10, I'll write it there. So the answer is actually 3 over 10, yeah? So you're so close. But don't worry, Mike, it's not a problem, because the only way we can learn is by practicing it, and the more you practice, the better you will get. Remember, you're only in primary school, and these questions occur in secondary school, so you're doing really well. Keep working at it.
I'm not really watching TV, I'm just...
Oh, you're doing it from the top of it. So how are you answering the questions then?
Yeah.
Oh, so you've made a note of it and you've gone to the kitchen so it doesn't interfere with the television. Is that what you've done? Yeah. Okay, that's a good idea. Because when people talk and the TV's on, you can hear it repeat itself. Yeah. It's because the signal from the TV is slower or faster, one of them, compared to the telephone. That's why. Okay, thank you very much, Umair, and continue watching. Yeah? Take care now, bye-bye. Right, so that's that. Unfortunately, guys, the PowerPoint doesn't work, so should we make it a little bit harder for ourselves?
Yeah.
Should we actually think of some ourselves? So should we think of some catchphrases? So boys, you can do the girls. This is hard. I see your face drop there. You know. Yeah, let's have a look. I'm gonna do the first one. So I'm gonna draw one. Right. Okay, I don't know how to draw fairies. I'll draw a fairy.
A snowman fairy.
How do fairies look like?
They have hair.
They have wands.
They have a crown. Is that like that?
Yeah, they have like little arms.
And the girls usually, aren't they?
Yeah, obviously.
Okay.
It's not obvious.
They have stars and stuff. Right. Okay. Now I'll have feet. Now I've got a fairy. Let me see. I'll draw one of my scrumptious cakes that I made the other day. I'm actually quite good at drawing.
Terrible, sir.
Hold on, some colour there, yeah. Let's see, yeah, there we go. What have I drawn there?
I don't know.
Don't know? Whose turn was it?
It was ours.
Girl's turn. What have I drawn? I've drawn a really cool picture of a fairy and...
It's
Is it
fairy cake?
Yeah.
A fairy cake. Bingo, it is a fairy cake. You see that? I did fairy cake. How cool is that? We've got a caller. Let's take caller and then we'll come back to drawing our wonderful pictures. Hello, what's your name and where are you calling from? Hello?
Hello?
Hello, what's your name and where are you calling from?
It's Mahdi.
Hi Mahdi, hello, how are you today?
Hi, sir.
Are you okay? Mahdi is one of my students. He sits at the front right next to me, so I can keep an eye on him. Yeah, are you okay, Mahdi?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Are you enjoying the show so far?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Would you like to answer a question?
I want to ask Nurani a question.
You want to ask Nurani a question? Nurani, are you ready for it?
Yeah.
It better be a sensible question, Mahdi, otherwise I'll get you on Monday. So off you go. Can you hear? Off you go.
42 times 8.
42 times 8. Do you think you can do that one?
84. No,
It's going to be hard to do that in your head. You have to work it out.
I need paper.
You need paper, exactly. So should we make it easy for her? What's 40 times 8, someone?
40 times 8. We know the answer, sir.
Come on, what's 40 times 8?
It's
320.
Yeah.
Is it 320?
Yeah.
Good. 320. Now, what's the next step?
8 times 2.
8 times 2 is?
16.
16. Now add them together.
3.
1, Nurani.
6 and then 3 and then 3.
3, okay. Hey, one, Nurani, tell him the answer. What's the answer?
336.
Is she right?
Yeah.
Well done, thank you. Okay, can I ask you a question now?
Alright.
Let's see what you learned in school. Go to the board. So, can you simplify this third? I'll give him an easy one. How would you simplify that third, Mahdi? Let's see if you can do this one. We did this a few weeks ago.
What was it? 2 root 3.
2 root 3. Is he right, boys?
Yeah.
So because the 12 we can write as 4 times by 3. And if you take the square root of 4, you get 2. And the square root of 3 is root 3. And don't worry at home if you guys didn't get this, because this is what Mahdi has been learning with me, so you should be perfect at this. Right, okay, thanks Mahdi for phoning. Thank you very much Mahdi for phoning, and continue watching. Right, okay, so let's see. What are we doing? Does anyone want to do one catchphrase? Because we're going to go to a break. So boys, okay, we'll draw it. Go on, tell me what it is, I'll draw it, because I'm quite good at drawing.
Right, H-O.
Okay, let's go back to the board. H-O.
R-O-B.
R-O-B.
O-D.
O-D.
That's it.
Okay, H-O-R-O-B-O-D. Okay, you've got like 20 seconds.
Robot.
Robot, no, is it? Okay, let's see. Where is it? That's on the board, please.
It's
5 more seconds, and then this will give the answer. What's the answer?
Robin Hood.
Robin Hood. How does it work?
Rob is inside Hood.
Oh, Rob in Hood.
Yeah.
Hood is under H-O-O-D, and Rob is. That's quite good. Robin Hood. That's a good one. Right. It's not better than my fairy cake. Anyway, unfortunately, we've come to the end of the show. So it's been a quite good show today. We've come to the end of the show. So. What should we do? On next week's show, the next show is going to be in 2 weeks. So make sure you continue watching. Make sure you tune in next 2 weeks. This is Maths plus much more. I am Arif Mohid. I'll see you in 2 weeks. Take care now. Bye-bye.
Bye.